I made, which you can almost guarantee.
You went the wrong way through there.
Bring your A game, which I kind of like the A game and A theist and A something. I don't know. It's A.
That is red light run.
Good at it, and why do that to yourself? So the joke is, don't fight with women, man. If you want to have a nice, like, look.
Red light run.
My problem is I'm too. Buffalo is tops. Buffalo is tops. So I'm going out there.
Really?
Of course, there's no
red light
NFL,
run.
So I can't.
On the screen, you can only say hot guys, like, or whatever the lines are. Like, you can't really change who a person is, and so in that respect, there's no negotiation. Yeah, like it's just here's who I am, take me or leave me, and we have to be more willing to have.
So his concession is that, and it's not even a wild one, but when he knows I'm going to be gone from the house for several hours,
Dead nonstop.
I just know in my head he's watching porn, and that's what they're using to bash this fucking nail. Is like, how dare you enjoy porn of any type? How dare you enjoy
red light run.
looking at a woman's naked body?
I've said, this is my thing, this is my kink. I like large lower lips, and I don't care who it's on.
No stop.
Right? And that's something that, again, we always talk about Dan Savage here, but
no stop.
It's about like being objective.
He hasn't bathed in a couple of days, and he's given some nonsense to your oldest kid, and he's disrespecting your wife.
And that's the thing, is it's the opposite. He seems like the most professional, businessman ever, and it's so,
exit dive.
And I'm like, wait, no.
You can't be mad at somebody for not knowing who you are, right? I've said that before. Don't be mad at somebody for doubting you or being negative, because they don't know your heart. They don't know the real winner and champion. That
Nice
you
cut
are.
off.
That's wild, yeah. No. What? See, I'm the opposite. No way. I'd swim in the ocean before I
Nope.
go fucking underneath it. And he carves his hair the other way so we can figure out it's him. Well, that's stupid, but nothing could kill him other than kryptonite, dude. And he's fucking...
Exit dive.
And he...
It's just, I'm a cunt. All right? I am a cunt. Wait a minute. Do I need a transition? All right. Anyway, that's the podcast here. I'm looking forward to watching the NBA.
Red light run.
And
Bernie bus
congratulations to
servicing.
the New York-
I'm ashamed of you.
Children. It's a Harlan called Soldier with Michael and Sarah. Anyway, that's where I got the name. General Persons, thank you so much for having me on.
Thank you for the call. I appreciate it.
All right. Well, we've got a couple more great calls on the line, and there is a lot to get into. But I can't.
Left
walk
turn
away
fail.
from this.
It's the narrative she's pushing. Yeah, right. Of course, we all know that none of that's true, and I think she could really benefit.
No
from
stop
reading
up
Andrew
there.
Seidel's book, The Founding Myth. But
Certainly, yeah. I mean, I think you and I discussed that on your show a long time ago.
Yeah.
Verses in the Quran. I can
Really?
see if I can bring one of them up. It is narrated by Abu Hurairah.
I had to slow down the 40 for you. Good job.
Target shoot. I am licensed and trained. I keep both weapons securely locked in a
What
gun
the
safe that is
frick?
totally inaccessible to by asking his guest David Ward about possible danger.
No
Ward
stop.
replied, quote, "They're coming in with diseases such as..."
Could be spring allergy season in Nashville. It's a toss-up. Hope you are doing super well, though. And we got a
Hello.
long show ahead of us today, so let's get right to it. Let's go to Leslie in Richmond.
And you run through the stop too.
My question is, how do we deal?
Run right through the stop.
Now, take your time. Take your time.
Really just have your fucking asshole sprayed down like it showed up at a protest.
It's green. It's green. Yeah, you figured it out. Good job.
That's me! How are you?
Red light run.
Each week you guys write it. Why do you write it?
And you can go now.
Something special in your life.
Any suggestions on that?
Your son is... That's shame.
Shame?
Dad is this pain inside your son saying, what did I do?
Jesus, there's a car coming.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And fewer words. The supermarkets.
No stop.
Early 1986.
99%
is not allowing toxic influences into the room to poison
No, stop.
an atmosphere. It's not like
shake and bounce into a wall and spin and fall. And we used to have, like, we would sit down there, Tom, for hours.
What the
pushing as
really?
hard, taking turns, pushing as hard as we can this cart and just smashing it.
And I was minding my own business. You know what really annoys me? I don't like.
Did not stop at all.
When a woman dresses seductively.
Sport begins at conception. Wow. Well.
No, stop.
Cool. Figure out. Yeah. Anybody listen to her?
And take her seriously?
Yeah,
no, stop.
Like
7 million new firearms are manufactured every year, not including those made for the military. I'm included in U.S. gun statistics. 32 dead and 17 wounded on the campus of Virginia Tech in 2007. 18 people, including U.S. hasn't so scary. Now, in fairness, these are fringe groups. And again, many American gun owners are not. 2008 study by several renowned psychologists from NYU, Berkeley, Cambridge, and the University of Texas at Austin, titled "The Secret Lives of Liberals and Conservatives."
General conference, which is a madhouse, usually. Not, this was pre-pandemic, so there's, hundreds of thousands of people there, in their Sunday best.
Come on, get past me. No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because this is a construction zone and there are signs everywhere that says trucks can't be in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real, but at least it's moving over now. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Okay, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.